The Urban Development Corporation, in association with the Jamaica Information Service, presents UrbanScope.
Dunn's River Falls and Park is one of Jamaica's national treasures, welcoming hundreds of patrons daily to an unforgettable experience. From climbing the falls and relaxing on the beach to enjoying the serenity of the garden, one visit will definitely lead to another. And the offerings are expanding. A central garden has been established with new water features to cater to the entire family. The Urban Development Corporation, UDC, has overall responsibility for the property and in September of 2015 provided funding to the tune of over $114.5 million from its treasury to start the project. Over 6 months, the site took on different phases as the project got underway. We caught up with manager of Dunn's River Falls and Park, Jomo Pitterson, and UDC's architect Leighton Whyte on site prior to completion.
Dunn's River is a premier attraction for Jamaica, and as such we're always looking to improve it. So for years we have always had the Jamaicans come, we do water, we do the falls, we run up and down on the beach, but we need to offer more. We need to make this a completely inclusive attraction.
The Central Gardens is designed as a rustic Jamaican feel with timber buildings that have a vernacular reminiscent of old Jamaican architecture. And the finishes that you see around you are all natural in color and tone. And it's all supposed to give you a feeling of relaxation and enjoyment while you're here and feel that you're a part of Jamaica and the brand that we represent here.
The 12 shops in the Central Garden will cater to a variety of products, including some of Jamaica's finest foods and craft items.
We'll have things to attract children, and basically once you come in here, you're going to stay the entire day.
Especially when the water features are installed, a first for Dunn's River.
Within a month or two, we'll have the water slide and the water features up and about. So we'll make sure that we catch all the children for summer. Every Jamaican must come.
We should have a splash pad area which will have water shooting up all over the place, and also a water slide that will swirl around and end in that splash pad. Brand new offering for this area, and we believe that it is fundamental to where the market is now going in terms of entertainment for children. We'll be having more interaction here in Dunn's River. For persons who are not able to go on the falls, this is where they would have their fun time here at Dunn's River. The children and the older folk and the whole family is expected to enjoy the facilities.
The UDC continues to improve the customer experience at the world-famous Dunn's River Falls and Park. In recent times, a new electronic ticketing system was established. This allows persons to purchase tickets ahead of arrival and facilitates compliance with the existing single-entry operation with re-entry only in cases of emergency. With these recent upgrades, the facility once again got international recognition. For excellence in hospitality, it was awarded a TripAdvisor Certificate of Excellence in May 2015. Prior to that, the facility was named Most Popular and Exciting Attraction by cruise officials during 2004 and Leading Caribbean Tourist Excursion by the World Travel Awards in November 2009 and 2010. And no doubt, more recognition is expected, with the new Central Garden now bringing a whole new family experience to the property.
We're an evolving park, and we're ensuring that we always will keep you.
The Urban Development Corporation, making development happen in Jamaica's attraction sector. To learn more about the work of the Urban Development Corporation, call 656-8031 or visit their website at www.udcja.com. You may also follow them on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, and Instagram, or visit their information center on the ground floor, Kingston Mall, downtown Kingston.
UrbanScope was brought to you by the Urban Development Corporation in association with the Jamaica Information Service.